Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to another previewing of 1/64 scale racing. There we got the HW Horsepower 5-pack going to be displaying you. Let's open her up and see what we got. First up, we got some kind of Corvette convertible. 19 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Next, we got a Roger Dodger, twin engines. And looks like we got a Ford Raptor. Yeah. Then we got one of my favorites. Looks like a 70 Dodge Charger. RT. And last, we got a Nitro door slammer. Looks like it's got twin turbos on it. Got wheelie bars. Anyway, just wanted to show you the HW Horsepower 5-pack. Please check out my other videos at 1/64 scale racing. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.